You ready? Piper, you look so cute, but I can't see you when you keep running towards the camera. Oh! There's nothing there because you're not in the picture, silly. There you are. Okay, wait, pose for me. You look so pretty. Can you do a little twirl? Can you do a twirl for Grandma Lois? Thank you. Isn't it? Oh, looks like there's something else. Wow, you want to open that? Ooh. Whoa! I think that's some little birdies. Little baby birdies. Babies.
What?
Babies. That. Can you, let's see, can they come out? Can you take your little babies out? Set down, yep. Maybe they sort of come out just a little bit, but not all the way.
Huh?
All right, let me put this down so I can